Hi, this is Skoggit, and today what I'm going to do is show you a quick cooking tip that if you ever slice onions up, dice onions up, and y'all, for some reason, like if you're like me, you get a smell on your hands. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that smell. What you do is you take some salt, just wet your hands, take some salt, pour the salt on your hands and rub it together and just wash your hands with the salt. By rubbing your hands with the salt, it will take all the onion smell out of your hands and you won't have that lingering on. This is Skoggit. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.